To set and use S Pen up and down gesture as home button in Samsung Galaxy S22, S22 Plus, or S22 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then the settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find advanced features, and then tap advanced features, select S Pen, and then tap add actions. Next, tap up and down icon on navigations, select button, button icon. Now, up and down S Pen gesture set as home. And then, if you press a button in your pen and then swipe up and down, uh, system will be go to home. For example, press and hold pen button and then swipe up and down, and then you will be go to home. Okay, example. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.